The Jamaican expression for the day is miras. Tyler? No? Okay.
Wagwan, Wayasemayo,
Heading
Nidea
out.
Panigaza,
You're there, Panigaza.
Nadea Panigoli
You're
side.
there, Panigoli side. Where are you heading?
As
Miaga school.
Nyagan school.
Alright, have a good day, okay? Say bye-bye.
Later.
Alright, go. Go, go.
Nya leave right now. Nya leave right now.
Right, you know.
Right now.
Alright, go on. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I'm giving you the voice the way I feel right now. I am cold. Outside is cold. And it's the hardest thing to find motivation to work out when it's this cold. I mean outside. You come back inside and you just want to wrap up under your cover and do nothing. If I didn't go outside, then workout would be easier. But the fact that I go outside and feel that cold, I still feel like my entire being is cold. Anyway, hopefully you guys are not cold like I am and you guys are not feeling like I'm feeling right now. But hopefully I'll snap out of it. And if you're feeling any kind of way, do something to snap out of it. With that said, have a good day. Subscribe to the channel right now if it's your first time. Hit that thumbs up button right now if it's your first time. And let's get this workout done regardless of how I feel. But first, say good morning to the husband. The husband is clipping his nails.
Hi guys. Yes, you take my privacy.
I'm not showing your nails, don't worry. So you guys know it's Monday, so baby's working from home today. And who else is here? Let's see who else we got here. Who else we got here? Who else we got here? Who else we got here? Good morning, princess. Good morning, princess. Good morning, morning. Mama, mama, mama. Mama, mama. Mama, mama. Good morning. 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 Good morning. Alright, you guys. I'm going to take my jacket off and at least try and get 45 minutes in. I'll tell you guys how that goes. Hi, pretty girl. You guys, workout was so this morning, but I got it done. I got it done. These chilly mornings are some of the hardest mornings to find motivation to work out, but I powered through nonetheless and I got it done. Right now we are heading out to go to the fruits and vegetable supermarket to pick up some fresh goodies. So we'll be right back. Who's this pretty girl? Who is that pretty girl? Who is this pretty mama? Who's that? Who's that? He's on mute. Anyway, you guys, we're out. Come on. Come. Come. She have to run. Come on. Watch her running. I have to hold you or else you're gonna fall. Yeah! Yeah! You don't like to walk? But you don't like to stroll? I don't understand that. You don't like to walk and you don't like your stroller. So you just want me to carry you. That's how you want to live? Green planting and I want ripe planting. So I'm taking a few. Ripe ones look good. No skinny planting, you know. Skinny planting. Alright, I'm gonna take 3. One skinny one. $2.99, $2.30. How much apple I have at Sarah? Don't put it on the floor. Another bag. I'm just gonna take 3 apple. Alright, kiwi, yes. Kiwi for the win. I like the big celery, tomatoes, avocado. Got back from the fruits and vegetable supermarket. So now I'm gonna give you a little haul of all the things that I picked up at the fruits and veg store. Alright, so here we go. Sorry, I coming to help Mama. What? This girl. Anytime my room door is open, Sarah find my room and go and find the clock. Sarah, can you put on my clock? Anyway, you guys, here are the things that I got. Carrots. Oh Jesus! Why did I take this carrot pack with this one spoiled carrot in the bag? Examine your fruit. Look at this black carrot at the back.
Only you.
Look at this black carrot at the back. Honey, you put this carrot in the bag?
Why you put the blame on me? You know who put the carrot in the bag. You went with the celery and the carrot together and you put them right away in the bag. I didn't
Yeah, but I give the bag to you. You slid this one in it. Is you put this one in it because this wasn't in it when I picked it up.
Open the bag, I put it in and then I close back the bag.
Of course, has to be. I would never take up something like this.
Just admit that you take things, you don't even look, you don't look at the price.
Finish your rant?
Yeah.
Help me do the haul. Tapping eyes. I don't know why I put the spoiled carrot in the bag. What is this?
I don't know what you took.
I'm asking you now what it is.
Is a big plantain?
Red plantain.
What is that?
No, it's me to ask you what is this. Banana Sarah is also helping to do this all.
Yes. Good job.
And I saw this banana chips, nothing like home, but I picked it up.
Guys, we have two big plantain, ripe plantain.
Sarah took up this one is yours.
No, this is not ripe.
Look
This
at
is
Sarah
green
having her
plantain.
hand.
Sarah,
Leave her. So why are you taking away her spaghetti? Give her back.
Mwah.
Why are you taking away her zucchini?
What else do we have? We have another tree. Why you trying to compare broccoli from this store to that?
Your nose.
For your nose.
Honey, do that.
I want to look like you.
You'll never look like me, even if you try.
No, I can
Even
never
if
look
you
like
try
you.
1,000
Oh
times.
yeah, I have to put on a red nose to first to look at you. I have to make my shoes
He's a whole
big.
cloud. He's a whole cloud.
What is that? Zucchini? That's why you call zucchini?
Yes, honey.
Oh, so you have spaghetti zucchini and you have regular zucchini?
Yes.
Oh, this is for sour food, right?
Yes.
Right.
Ah,
This
you
is
have little sense. Just a little bit of sense, you
What
have.
is it? This is... Huh? Why you laugh? Why you laugh? This is two cucumber.
Yes, it's two cucumber.
Hey guys, we have two cucumber. I don't know why she laughed.
Because you're a whole mess.
We have some haricot vert, green bean. We have some apple.
Sorry.
Oh, we have only green. This is a green veggies. This is one thing is not green, the sweet potatoes. Otherwise everything green. We have some more green, zucchini. You wanted to put green in the fridge? What we have? We have celery, a big celery. We have corn. She like to take corn, like big corn.
Only don't say corn, it's corn.
Corn.
Not even corn you can't say with your French R. Ow!
Do it again. Salad. We have lettuce. Forgive me. Right. What is that? Avocado. Oh, this is a baby avocado. And Sarah drop her spaghetti zucchini and break the spaghetti.
Oh, she said, oh. Drop it again. Give it, make sure drop it. Let me hear she going to say, oh.
Alright guys, that's it. That was a
And I'm
little
going
bit,
to put some.
but that's all green. Ew.
Your girl stout?
Yeah, I'm starting to have button.
You're an idiot. Anyway, you guys, those are all the things I got at the fruits and vegetable store. Look at this little girl. Look at her.
Time for nap soon.
Yep. Ugh. Mama. I'm right here. I'm not gone. I'm here. Oh, Lordy. What's the matter? Huh? What's the matter? Why are you crying like that? Mama. Look at this store. Papa, why you putting the balls on my head? Just kiss her faster if you want to kiss her. My gosh. Yeah. School pickup is always like this. Always like this. The plane never ends on school pickups. We just pick up Tyler from school and we're heading home. Tyler stepping in the car. Tyler stepping in the car. Caca foot. Caca foot. Look at him trying to make me step in the pool. He's so funny. How was you there? You had a good day today?
Yes.
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 I miss you. I miss hearing Mama! 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 What are you doing? Look at his hand. He's so funny. Yeah, me broke it. Outfit of the day. Hey. I am preparing dinner and it's Monday, so it's Sunday Monday. The good old Jamaican way. So it's oxtail and rice and peas. If you didn't see yesterday's vlog, then that's what's for dinner today. Oxtail, rice and peas, broccoli and carrot. Carrot. La carote. You like that? Oh my gosh, Tala, take time. Oh, Sarah, be careful. Tyler, don't go too close to the TV stand because if she falls, she'll hit herself. Ty, take time. Ty, take your time. Look at her. Sunday, Monday, ready.
Hey guys, we back. We back to end to the vlog, but what's gonna happen now, Tyler? The
So why are you hiding the
Jamaican
book like that?
expression. Tyler's trying to find his in the book. Alright, and the Jamaican expression is pee pee.
Yeah.
As in P-E-E-P-E-E? Spell it.
P-E-E-P-E-E.
Pee-pee. Mean to urinate. Wait, funny what you think it is.
I don't know, pee pee.
I should have let you guess before me. I said it's to urinate.
Well, in French is it, so...
I can't think of anything else. A pee-pee would be pee-pee. Okay, tell us what it means.
Papa, you need to guess.
I don't know what is it.
So you just say something.
Okay, I think it's Tyler nickname.
Okay.
Read what it says.
To urinate.
To urinate.
To urinate. Use it by the very young.
Oh, usually used by the very young.
Look.
Means to
Right
urinate.
here. Right here.
Alright, there's the
Find
Jamaican
another one.
pee pee.
Close the book.
Now it's Papa.
Alright, the Jamaican expression for the day is I don't understand the translation. Miras. Tala. No? Okay. Alright, the Jamaican expression for the day is donkey years. Donkey years.
What do you think that means, Della?
I think that means stop saying that word.
A donkey years.
Long time ago.
A long time ago.
Long time ago.
If you haven't seen someone in
I
donkey
think that
years.
means long time ago.
Oh yes,
Yes, that's
Tyler,
what it means.
if you haven't seen someone in donkey years, you haven't seen them in a
Right.
very long time.
Okay, so that's the Jamaican expression for today. What's the French
What is the
expression or
French
word
expression?
for today?
Jupiter.
Jupiter.
It's Jupiter.
Jupiter, that's a planet.
Yeah.
Give me another word that doesn't sound close to an English word.
Dodo. The French expression is dodo. Ça veut dire quoi dodo?
Sleep. To sleep. Say night night to the face.
Night, night.
Alright, run along. Go to bed.
So the French word is dormir and we say dodo, especially for the kids. Dodo.
Alright, you guys, there you have the French and the Jamaican expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.